another video for this week, and we will talk about the basic operation in fractions. Alright? So, this one involves addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And again, this is a sort of refresher of the previous knowledge that you've learned about fractions. Okay? So, let's have the addition and subtraction of fraction first. So, addition and subtraction. So, in doing addition and subtraction of fractions, we have this term similar and dissimilar fractions. So, similar fractions has the same denominator, right? So, shall we say 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. The answer is 4 over 4. And why is that so? Because we just copied the denominator and add the numerator. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, this is our answer. How about subtraction? 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. This would be 2 over 4 or 1 over 2. This is simplified to the lowest term. And this is the subtraction of fractions. So, no problem with similar fractions. How about dissimilar? Really easy. You'll just need to find the least common denominator. For example, 1/4 plus 3 over 8. So what is the greatest common denominator of 4 and 8? The answer is 8. 8 divided by 4, 2 times 1, 2. How about 8 divided by 8? 1 times 3, that would be plus 3. Then proceed with addition. 2 plus 3, 5 over 8. So that is your answer. So this is for dissimilar fractions, adding dissimilar fractions. How about subtracting dissimilar fractions? 1/4 minus 1/8. So let's try to do this. Again, the least common denominator is 8. 8 divided by 4, that will be 2. 2 times 1, 2. 8 divided by 8, that will be 1 times 1, that will be minus what? Minus 1. So 1 minus 2, this is 1 over 8. Okay, so that is how you will do addition and subtraction fractions. If you have questions regarding this, then you can go to the elementary level lessons, because this is already taken up. The purpose for this week's lesson is just a reviewer of your previously learned knowledge. We'll go to multiplication and division now. So let's put a line here. Let's have multiplication of fractions. So, in multiplying fractions, you will just multiply it numerator to numerator, or numerator to numerator, and denominator to denominator. Let's say 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 4. So 3 times 2, that would be 6 over 2 times 4, that would be 8. Lowest term, 3 over 4. This is our answer. Number 2. How about 1/2 times 5 over 6? 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 6, that would be 12. The answer is 5 over 12. So that is how we will multiply fractions. How about division of fractions? Division of fractions goes like this. So if you have a number, a fraction 1/2 divided by 1/3, what you will do is, you will need to find the reciprocal of that number, 1/3. We write this 1/2, and then instead of division, you change it to multiplication, and then you just simply flipped the second number. So proceed with multiplication. 1 times 3, that will be 3. 2 times 1, that will be 2. So the answer is 3/2. So the most easiest part here are this, multiplication and division. The most difficult part here is looking for the least common denominator and proceeding with the addition and subtraction of fractions. But you can eventually master this. So go over with the activities that I have given to you. Please answer them, and hopefully you can get a perfect score. And that's it, our lesson for today. See you guys in our next video, and always be awesome. Goodbye.